the time machine that only moves forward in seconds, perfect for those moments when you just can't wait for dinner to be ready. Soil compactor is a machine used in construction or agriculture to compress and stabilize soil, increasing its load-bearing capacity and reducing settling. Precision seeder, a machine designed to plant seeds with accuracy and uniformity, optimizing crop yields and reducing waste in agriculture. Hadron Collider is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator, designed to smash particles together at incredible speeds to study the fundamental nature of matter. The Weather Prediction Umbrella is an umbrella that opens automatically when it detects rain clouds, saving you from getting drenched without checking the weather app. Space Elevator, a theoretical structure that could transport people and cargo from Earth to space using a long cable anchored to the planet's surface and extending into space. Fusion reactor devices produce energy by harnessing the power of nuclear fusion, replicating the energy source of the sun. Exoskeleton is a wearable robotic suit that enhances human strength and endurance, often used in rehabilitation or industrial applications. Neural implant is a device implanted into the brain that interfaces with neural circuits, potentially used for restoring or enhancing brain functions. The speed demon of the assembly line, wrapping products faster than you can say wrap it up, and leaving tape residue on every surface. The procrastinator's dream machine produces groundbreaking ideas precisely 1 second before the deadline. Self-driving cars are autonomous vehicles that can navigate and operate without human intervention, using various sensors and AI algorithms. Hyperloop is a higher-speed transportation system that uses low-pressure tubes to propel pods at near supersonic speeds. Virtual reality headset is a wearable device that immerses the user in a computer-generated virtual environment, stimulating the senses. Nanorobot is a tiny machine or robot that operates at the nanoscale, potentially used for targeted drug delivery or precise surgical procedures. Maglev trains levitate and move using magnetic forces, eliminating friction and allowing for high-speed travel. Industrial blender, the whirlwind romance between fruits, vegetables, and a tornado, creating smoothies that are both delicious and slightly terrifying. Cryogenic freezing chambers lowers the temperature of objects or organisms to extremely low levels for preservation purposes. Solar-powered desalination plant uses solar energy to convert seawater into fresh water, addressing water scarcity issues. Air purification systems remove pollutants and contaminants from the air, improving indoor air quality.
An air purifier is actually working.
Hydroponic system is a method of growing plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water solutions to provide necessary minerals. The translator for pets finally understand what your furry friends are saying and engage in meaningful conversations about squirrels and belly rubs.
Can you get me the remote?
Industrial robot, the futuristic coworker who never complains, never takes breaks, and always follows instructions to the letter, making humans look lazy in comparison. Forklift, the heavyweight champion of the warehouse, capable of lifting tons of stuff and creating chaos with a single wrong turn. Robot prosthetics are artificial limbs or body parts controlled by electronic systems, designed to restore functionality to amputees. Artificial Intelligence Assistant, a software program or device that utilizes AI algorithms to provide information and perform tasks for users.
Oh, Alfred. Hello.
Bioprinter is a machine that can print living cells and tissues, potentially used for organ transplantation and tissue engineering. Jetpack is a device worn on the back that propels an individual through the air, providing short-distance flight capabilities. Genetic engineering machine and equipment used to manipulate and modify the genetic material of organisms, enabling precise genetic modifications. The irony detector is a device that beeps whenever someone says something completely opposite to what they actually mean.
Do I detect a note of sarcasm?
Are you kidding me? This baby is off the chart.